Hello, my name is Amandeep Kumar, mechanical student of Annapurna Engineering College. There is a word tense. As we know that tense is a basic chapter of English grammar. Okay, what is tense? There, tense is a grammar terms used to indicate whether a sentence or verb is an action in the past, the present, or the future. So we know what is the tense. Okay, there are three types of tense. There are the three types of the tense: present tense, past tense, future tense. Each tense has four parts: present tense, simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Similarly, past tense, simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect continuous. And the last, future tense, simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Okay, so we know tense definition, and after the terms of tense and the parts of tense. Okay, after that, the first, present tense. Types number one, simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense, subject, it's a structure to know simple present tense: subject plus verb plus SOES. Example: I take exercise daily. Second example: she reads a book in the library. Okay, the second one, present continuous. The structure: subject plus is rm plus verb ing. Example: he is playing football. Second example: I am studying in a college. Third, present perfect. The structure: subject has, have. Verb 3. Example: he has made this colorful chart. Second example: I have completed my assignment. Fourth, present perfect continuous. Subject has or have been, verb ing. It's a structure. Example: subject has been example, she has been working in this department since 2017. Second, I have been completing my assignment for the last 3 days. Now here we know what is the since and for. Wait a minute. There. Since, we use since with a point in times in the past. Example: since morning, since 2010. For, we use for refers to periods of time. Example: for 3 years, for 3 hours. Okay, come to our point. The next is our past tense. First, simple past tense. Structure: subject, verb to other things which ask in sentence. He completed the assignment. She went to home. Second, past continuous tense. Subject was where, verb ing. He was reading the book. I was going to the park. C, present perfect, past perfect tense. Subject had, verb 3. Example: I had finished my homework. He had completed his task. Past tense, last, past perfect continuous. Structure: subject had been, verb ing. I had been completing his assignment. He had been completing his assignment. I had been playing football since morning. The next, future tense. Okay, the first, simple future. Structure: subject will or shall, verb 1. Example: I shall go to the park. She will perform his duty. Future continuous. Subject plus will be, shall be, verb ing. Example, he will be playing football. Second example, we shall be eating the meal. Future perfect structure, subject plus will have plus verb 3. Example, he will have played football. Second example, I will have completed my assignment. The last, future perfect continuous structure, subject will have been, verb plus ing. We example, he will have been watching the football match. Actually, future perfect continuous, this used so rare case. Okay, so we understand what is tense, types of tense, structures and example. Have a good day.